Smart Finish not syncing both ovens? Fix it fast. Smart Finish is designed to make the top and bottom ovens finish together. If it seems out of sync, here's how to set it up the right way and avoid the common gotchas. Step 1. Turn Smart Finish on at the right time. Set the top oven's function, temperature, and time. Set the bottom oven's function, temperature, and time. Now press the Smart Finish button, then press Start. Think of Smart Finish as the last step before start, not the first. Pressing it too early is the #1 mistake. Step 2. Use compatible settings on both ovens. Smart Finish doesn't work in manual thermometer mode. Choose regular cook modes like bake, convection bake, air roast, air fry, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, etc. Set each oven's time and temperature or shade level, and make sure neither oven is left at 0 minutes. Step 3. Hold is normal. During the first part of the cook, the oven with the shorter time will show hold while the other catches up. That is Smart Finish doing its job, so both end together. Step 4. Preheat behavior and staging. With Smart Finish, only the oven with the longer cook time preheats. Add food as soon as preheat completes for best sync. If you wait too long to add food after preheat, Smart Finish will already be timing itself, and the sync can drift. Stage hot trays safely by setting a heat-resistant silicone trivet on your counter. I've linked the set I use in the description. Step 5. Using Smart Finish with the built-in thermometer. If you're cooking by temperature, plug in the probe, choose a preset and doneness, enable Smart Finish, press Start, then insert the probe and drape the cord over the top of the door before closing. The top display will show current and target temperatures, while the other oven shows progress bars. Step 6. Still not syncing? Recheck that you pressed Smart Finish before start, that both ovens have a set time, and that you didn't select manual thermometer mode. Avoid leaving the door open long or loading food late, which can throw off the sync. If Smart Finish still fails to coordinate both ovens after these checks, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you get perfect timing, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need heat-resistant silicone trivets, I've linked the ones I use below. They make staging pans quick and safe, so Smart Finish stays on track. Thanks for watching, and finish together, not apart.